My name is Lee Woodruff, and I've worked at GolfRider for 7 years. So just like your automobile, it's very important to maintain your golf cart. So the recommendation is annually, once a year, or every 100 hours, that being hours on the electric or the gas. The difference that we recommend for maintenance for each cart is going to be relative to what the cart is. If it's a lithium cart, they're going to come in less actually for maintenance because typically the battery is what's going to bring most people in. However, we remind them that there's a lot of other important aspects. Their steering, we need to make sure their alignment's correct, their tire, their brake, and their suspension. So there's a lot of other things that need to come in for their annual inspection. The way we recommend the customer maintain it at home, they keep the water levels checked and the lead acid batteries, and they put distilled water in correctly as needed. And the wonderful thing about lithium batteries is there's zero maintenance. There's nothing you do other than charge and use the battery, which really makes it easy for the life that we have today with hectic schedules. One thing that people sometimes don't realize about the annual maintenance is they are optional. However, when it comes time to warranty your product, the warranty department of the manufacturer, of any manufacturer, always looks at the service record. After the sales process, when a customer purchases, we like to introduce them to our service department. That way we can create the relationship that they're going to come to know after the sale. We always like to try to introduce them to at least our service manager or one of our service advisors. And then we also like to advise them at that point in time about what the maintenance looks like. So the tools that we use is our email campaigns. Anytime they purchase, they're put in our system for an annual reminder. So 2 to 3 weeks before their annual service is needed, we always send out a reminder letting them know it's about time for them to bring it in for service. A lot of our customers think of golf carts as recreation, but you have to realize that there's a lot of parts and there's a lot of things about the cart that make it very similar to your automobile. So it's going to require the same kind of care, and taking care of the cart and maintaining the cart, it's going to be very similar and is just as important. With our E-Z-GO products, we always have recommendation for our tire usage. Depending on what you're looking to do with your cart will kind of determine what kind of tire you need. So one thing that people ask me a lot of times, what I enjoy most about my job. And what we enjoy is when a person comes in to purchase a E-Z-GO golf cart, it's a really fun time for the family. The kids enjoy it. It's something that they find a lot of fun in. It's great to see their faces light up when they see that brand new shiny E-Z-GO cart. So we always like that, and it's an American-made product that we can have pride in, that we stand behind and know there's over 70 years of history built into that product, where they're going to have reliability, they're going to be able to trust the product that they're purchasing. It's so important for that trust to be conveyed. So we enjoy greatly conveying that trust that they bought something they can be proud of and they know it's going to be reliable. So the last tip I can leave you with about your new E-Z-GO product is keeping it regularly maintained yearly and annually, and doing everything you can at home will keep your E-Z-GO good to go.